Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can set a due date for tasks and work items in the Plane project management app. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, we're inside that example project here, inside my Plane workspace. And let me start with a new work item by clicking into this button, give it a title like, I don't know, task 1 or something like that, press enter. That is going to create your work item. Now you can customize it by clicking into it, and here to the right, guys, you will see the given tasks properties, and amongst these you will see also the start as well as the due date. So if you'd like to set a due date for a specific task, simply click into this button here and find your date. So today is November 23rd. Let us set the due date to next Sunday, November 30th, and that's it. You will see the change here at the bottom in the activity section, and you can change the due date for your tasks anytime by simply either removing the previous due date or by clicking into it and selecting a new one. So let me navigate, for example, to December and set it to New Year's Eve. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.